Welcome to Njenje Media channel. This is the channel where we explore the truth behind the headlines. We take our time to dig deep, to remove the chaff from the wheat. Once more, this is Njenje Media channel. What EFCC has come to Imo State to do? This week, we saw EFCC barricading properties relating to Rochas Okorocha, the former governor of Imo State, the now Iberiberized senator representing Imo West Senatorial 4 within the Senate. Armed EFCC officials sealed off Rochas Okorocha's Foundation College, Owerri. Operatives of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission in the company of armed government officials stormed the Rochas Okorocha Foundation in Owerri and sealed it off. Okorocha has been accusing his predecessor. His successor, that is the current governor of Imo State, Emeka Ihedioha, as the brain behind it. He equally accused the EFCC of manhandling students in his foundation. EFCC equally has denied the allegation, saying that they ensured that they came in when nobody was at the school and they manhandled no one and they were not violent. According to reports, the East High Academy and East High College, both private primary and secondary school located at New Owerri, Imo State, we can tell you that these two schools belong to the wife of the former Imo State Chief of Staff, Uloma Nwosu, and the daughter of former Imo State Governor Rochas Okorocha. These are the list of items. Allegedly, Njenje Media channel is emphasizing these are allegations. They are yet to be proven in the court of law. But even the allegation from the EFCC is mind-boggling. The allegations, as we gathered, are as follows: that Okorocha has 21.6 billion taken from the local government system as he was the governor. That the Eastern Palm University, built with Imo State money but personalized by Okorocha, that this university was approved by the Nigerian Universities Commission, NUC, as the 42nd state university. Before the previous governor sought and got approval for the said university, he had acquired land with government instruments and built all the houses at the university premises for the relocation of Imo State University to his community, Oboko, where the university is situated today. A plot that Imo State people resisted, prompting him to jettison the idea of relocating to apply for license from NUC. Today, the former governor goes around saying that Imo State has 10% equity in the Eastern Palm University, while Rochas Foundation has 90% equity. Ndimo, Emeranye Gini, have you ever seen such ridiculous madness? Again, Ndimo want to recover and want to know about the 96 billion being the stolen portion of the Imo State RGR for over 8 years. Over 40 billion looted through the failed 27 General Hospital project. You remember, Okorocha earmarked over 40 billion, saying that he will build 27 general hospitals in all the local governments in Imo State. Yet, none of those white elephants that are dilapidating today is working. The old IBC premises at Oji, before now, everybody in Imo State knows that the old Imo Broadcasting Corporation premises at Oji is a government land. The former governor used his office as governor to convert the asset to himself after building gigantic block at the facility with government money or not his money. Ndimo are requesting that this government property be recovered without further delay. The Nekede and Oji Mechanic Village. Ndimo also wish to inform the public that the vast expanse of land occupied by the artisans and mechanics at the Nekede Mechanic Village as well as Oji Mechanic Village was forcefully, not peacefully, but was forcefully by the taken over by the former governor and given to his family members and cronies. Also, vast expanse of land on the Sam Mbakwe Airport Road was acquired by the government of Imo State for the purposes of attracting a naval base. To the dismay of Ndi Imo, over 70% of the said land was converted to a personal estate by the former governor. Ndi Imo demand that this land be recovered and other lands be recovered as well without further delay. The other palms in Ohaji, which Okorocha said was leased out investors and left in ruins till today, Ndi Imo equally requires and wants this land returned. The Concord Hotel, an enviable investment of the state, which was acquired by Okorocha through some proxies, Ndi Imo are also demanding that this be returned. Westbrook Hotel, which is linked to Okorocha's son-in-law, Njenje, Woody Wellness Center owned by Okorocha's wife, Nkechi, built on the former Imo State Secretariat Annex, a land forcefully acquired from the Imo State by Njenje as Commissioner of Land. The Rich FM owned by Njenje without any known legitimate means of owning such huge property. How much was Njenje earning as Chief of Staff? Was his salary ever more than 500,000 a month? How come Njenje, because he is married to the daughter of Okorocha, is able to own such gargantuan property? The multi-million naira farmers market built by Gadlin, Okorocha's sister, on a land belonging to the Imo State. Over 25 plots of state land acquired by Njenje, upon which Elfreda Foundation was built. This is the foundation through which billions of naira have been laundered out of the state. Extravia Mega Supermarket, opposite Civic Center Estate, owned by Ogechi Ororo, Okorocha's sister. Municipal Plaza, owned by Nkechi Okorocha, built on a land forcibly acquired from a civil servant by Njenje. Twitter Byte, acquired by Geraldine Okorocha forcefully from Mrs. Fan. Spitbat Estate, most of which land was forcefully taken from Mbeiri people by Okorocha. House of Fredas Mall in Owerri, Abuja and Lagos, built by Uloma, Okorocha's wife. A mighty poetry farm beside ShopRite, owned by Njenje, on a land forcefully acquired. A probe into the J-Probe's financial sleaze perpetrated by Okorocha's first term. Recovery of 600 million diverted through a supposed renovation of Imo State Secretariat. Recovery of 800 million given to Okorocha's sister Geraldine per annum for Christmas tree. All those Chinese Christmas tree lighting in Owerri. Ndi Imo are also requesting for the recovery of 18 billion looted through the alleged construction of primary school blocks across the state. Ndi Imo also demanding for the recovery of all the markets in the state which Okorocha has claimed 30% ownership. The recovery of ISOPADEC fund and 13% oil derivation fund, which amounts to over 20 billion. Ndi Imo also are demanding for the recovery of cardboard industry at Owerri Ebiri in Olu. Recovery of the 2 billion diverted through the construction of completely worthless Akachi Tower. The Akachi Tower that was destroyed immediately the new governor took over, which no one has claimed its destruction. Ndi Imo are demanding a probe into and the recovery of over 120 billion diverted through failed road projects. There is no single road project done by Okorocha that is not a failure. We are all a living witness to this. Okorocha's roads are all made in China. The only governor that can construct road and bridges without roads. When it rains, everything collapses. Yakata. Ndi Imo are also demanding the recovery of hundreds of plots of land taken from the state by Okorocha and his family spread across Imo State. They are also demanding the recovery of Imo security vote, which Okorocha personalized for 8 years. Recovery of billions of naira looted through the construction of deadly concrete beams on the roads and overhead iron projectiles, which serves no purpose while people are dying of hunger. These death traps should be dismantled. Ndimo are demanding. Finally, Ndimo are demanding that EFCC should recover the Iroma equipment worth billions of naira looted by Okorocha, and also the ICT vehicle and investment looted by Okorocha and many other more loots. As you people know, Emeka Ihedioha, the new governor, has instituted a couple of committees going around the state checking on properties looted. There was one property, one compound where they came in and brand new vehicles, SUVs, high-end SUVs that none of them cost less than 50 million naira were littered in those compounds. You can still see the clearing documents clearly sticked in front of those brand new cars stating Lagos Apapa, and all these were looted. Now it explains the reason why Okorocha wanted his son-in-law to succeed him by fire, by force, in order to cover his tracks. But there is a way. The God of Igbo works in a mysterious way. Okorocha has lost the seat. Now someone else has come in. There is no hiding place. The only problem Ndimo foresee is that the way Buhari goes with corruption and corrupt people, he might at the end of the day end up not taking this thing serious as Ndimo are demanding. As you people know, Buhari has appointed his ministers, and everybody is wondering, why would Akpabio, who has an active case with EFCC, be in the ministerial list? Why would Tipri Sivier, the former governor of Bayelsa State, be in the list? This is a man being pursued by EFCC. And the irony of it all is that Festus Kayamo was the prosecutor for EFCC, who was prosecuting this thief, this looter, during the time of PDP. Suddenly, the former governor of Bayelsa State, Silva Timi Priye, will be in the cabinet, and the person who was pursuing him, my people, it is like a criminal, and the criminal catcher now being the one making decision for the real owner of the property that they stole. This Nigeria is unbelievable. Njenje Media is calling and demanding that Okorocha be brought to book, proved very well. If found guilty, all these properties belonging to Ndimo must be returned, and Okorocha, if found wanting, must go to jail. Subscribe to the channel. This is Njenje Media channel.